In this video, I will show you how to display product categories on separate pages in Hostinger Website Builder. This is my website homepage in Hostinger Website Builder. First, you need to create or manage your product categories. To do that, click on Store Manager. Click on Categories. As you can see, I already have many different categories. To create a new category, just click on Add Category. As you can see, give it a new name, for example, gifts, and you can assign one product or many products to this category. Click on Save and hit Save again. As you can see, a new category is added and it's called gifts. Now click on Edit Website to return to your website and not your online store. What you need to do now is to create a new page. So go to Pages and Navigation, hit Add Page, go with an empty page, give it a name, for example, gifts, hit Save. This is my new blank page. After that, click on Add Section, select to go with Online Store, and select this product list template. As you can see, now I have all of my products in this gift page. What I need to do is to first go click on Edit Section. Next to Filters, disable this Show Categories as Filters first. Then click on this list and select your product category. Now only products assigned to this gifts category will start showing here. As you can see, just my selected 3 products. Now I want to add a big title to distinguish this page. For example, add text. As you can see, I can't add text to this section or to this product list section. So what I will do is to add a blank section, resize it just like that. Then click on Add Element and add my text element. Call it gifts, for example. And place it here. And don't forget to update your website.